breaking news we're tracking at this hour with the Kerala polls around the corner. The Congress's rift with Tharoor continues to grow as Congress Member Parliament heaped praise on the Prime Minister. Now it's important information that we're tracking as Tharoor said that he views the Constitution as sacrosanct even as he recently skipped a crucial meeting in Kerala. Now this is an important piece of information that we're tracking at this hour. We also have some reactions coming in on this. Let's listen in.
इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, कांग्रेस एक वट वृक्ष है, बरगद का पेड़ है। जो इस बरगद के नीचे रहता है उस सबको छां मिलती है, और जो बरगद के बाहर जाता है वो सदैव धूप में ही रहता है, उसको छां नहीं मिल पाती।
Well, there seems to be a big political row as there seems to be a face-off and infighting in the Congress between the Congress and Shashi Tharoor, the Congress Member Parliament. It seems to have in fact intensified as the UP Congress chief has in fact hit out at Shashi Tharoor. Now, Ajay Rai has gone on to say that the Congress is like a tree and that have to face the sun if we have to go out. This is a cryptic comment made by the UP Congress chief. You also have my colleague Tejashree joining us on the broadcast. Now, Tejashree, how essentially do you view the implications of this comment coming in, given the fact, that the Congress Member Parliament Shashi Tharoor has said in the open that there is a rift. He's acknowledged it, but he's also gone on to say that he will not be talking about the rift in public. He will be raising it directly with the High Command.
Absolutely. You see, as far as the entire controversy is concerned, this has definitely intensified, keeping in mind that Shashi Tharoor did not attend the Congress meeting yesterday, where it was all talked about how what will be the strategy of the elections and how they are going to take it forward. But now, in fact, we are also hearing from the other Congress leaders as well, as far as the Shashi Tharoor not attending the meeting is concerned. Then there are many Congress leaders who have been, taking it very casual, that it is very much okay if Congress leader is not present. Earlier also there have been leaders like Imran Masood who have said that if Shashi Tharoor is not present, it's absolutely okay, because there have been statements given by Shashi Tharoor which are not in parallel lines with the Congress party, and now it is Ajay Rai who is in fact saying that Congress is like a tree. They are in fact trying to say that have to face sun if we go out. This is what Congress leader Ajay Rai has been stating. Now needs to be seen, that how the Congress High Command sees this entire controversy erupting, because BJP is definitely raising guns at the cracks, because they are clearly seeing it as the Shashi Tharoor versus the Congress party, because not just this time as well, but earlier also, if we talk from the point of time when the Operation Sindoor started, or in fact during that tenure as well, Shashi Tharoor was in very much different lines with the Congress party. And in fact, the manner in which it's been, sources are revealing that the manner in which he was treated there in the program in Kochi, where he was sharing the stage with Rahul Gandhi. This is what there, in fact, the manner in which the incidents unfolded, that upset Shashi Tharoor, and perhaps that is why he was not present at the Kerala Congress meeting in the national capital.
Right, and absolutely, Tejashree, Shashi Tharoor's stiff with the Congress top brass has been something that's been there for quite some time. He's made comments about the Prime Minister as well that have not, in fact, they've not sit well with the Congress leadership. I wish to understand, has there been any comment that's come in from the top brass so far?
Well, you see, there has been no words as of now as far as the top official statement from the top leadership is concerned. But earlier if we see, then there have been senior leaders from the Congress party who have brushed off the statements that's been made by Shashi Tharoor. When we talk about the recent controversy when Shashi Tharoor was in parallel lines so as to what Digvijay Singh has stated. But then senior leader of the Congress party like Pawan Khera went on to say that Shashi Tharoor needs to change his lens through which he is watching. His perspective is different right now. So in fact, they did not endorse, they did not deny, they did not say anything, but then they said that there's a need for Shashi Tharoor to change his the lens, the manner in which he is viewing the things. And as of now, as we see that Imran Masood has also stated that Tharoor is not a big part of the Congress party, and Imran Masood is said to be very close to the Gandhi family. So speculations could be drawn that is it a message that's being given from the Gandhi family, because he's one of the closest considered to Rahul Gandhi.
And Tejashree, because you mentioned Imran Masood, has also play out his reaction for our viewers to understand better. What is it that this leader has to say?
केरल में एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बैठक हुई है जिसमें शशि थरूर गायब दिखे। कहा जा रहा है कि अभी पिछले हफ्ते एक मीटिंग हुई थी जिसमें उनको तवज्जो नहीं दी गई राहुल गांधी जी के द्वारा।
शशि थरूर जी कोई इतना बड़ा पार्ट नहीं है, नहीं दिखे तो नहीं दिखे, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं।